surely lose my mind. When she was a red thing, so fine as a thing's way, so fine that I might crush her where she lay. When she was a lost child, and she was running wild, she said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. One time the work was pretty good, and she thought we shouldn't wait for the frost, and I thought maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days, tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her go with the rambling itch. And last I heard she was sleeping right down on the Derby beat, the white horse in the hip pocket and the wolfhound at her feet. They say she married once, a man named Romany Brown, but even the gypsy caravan was too much settling down. And they say her flower's fading now from hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's just the price you pay for the chase that you refuse. She was a red thing, so fine as a bee's way, and I had missed her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, well, I would want her any other way, and I would want her any other way. I kissed the earth and I kissed the stone. Oh, the wind way out on our backs, the cold of the moon is running strong. Under the stars, with your emerald green eyes, you'll boil the soul I've ever known. Let's row for a while. With your emerald green eyes, you're the wildest soul, and we'll find our way somehow. We'll find our way somehow. Sweet gaze to the golden sun, someday tonight our bed is outside, 'cause we're completely lost with the light inside. away somehow. So this song is called Sweet Illusion. I don't know what that is in Spanish. Sweet Illusion?
Dulce ilusión.
That sounds nice. It's better in Spanish. And it's maybe a feeling that many people know of, you know, this, we can call it love, but it's more like when it becomes unhealthy, and it's sort of like being in a spell of love and the need to break the spell. My sweet, my sweet illusion, my most tempting confusion. I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow, and I'm gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play. I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow, and I'm gonna give my heart away, leave it to the other girls to play.